Hey lovelies, it's Frederica back with a YouTube Shorts. Just going to show you what we're having tonight for some veggies. I already made some turkey smoked sausage yesterday. So that's a mom hack. Try to do stuff the night before. As I always tell you all, when you're a busy mom on the go, trying to do too much like work, take care of your kids, all that good stuff, do as much as you can the night before. So I already did that part. Now I'm just doing like, this is like a California blend of veggies here. And these are all sweet potatoes here. I've already seasoned them. And now I'm going to bake them for about, I'll say 25 minutes in the Emerald Lagasse baker. All right, that's it. And I'll let you know how it turns out. Okay, lovelies, I have about, I think, 20 minutes on this left, but I'm just giving it a little stir. And I wish you could smell how great it smells right now. Let's see. Oh, I used garlic powder because I don't have any more onion powder. So I have to just use what I have in stock, right? So, yeah, that's what I got to do. So anyway, we'll check back in once these are done. And those are the turkey sausage I did yesterday. And I'm going to add some eggs because I didn't get a chance to make rice. So I'm trying to make this a quick, easy meal. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. Okay, lovelies, this is the finished effect. I am not eating all this by myself, although I would if I could, but that's the finished effect. You got your veggies, the turkey sausage, and the eggs. I did make rice, so I substituted the rice for eggs. And, oh, like I said, this was like a California medley with like the cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots in the mix. And then there were some sweet potatoes that were already baked. So I just put them in the air fryer, and yeah. But I cooked them for more than the 25 minutes that I told you all. I think I cooked it for like 35 because I like them to be a little bit more on the done side. But yeah, this is what dinner is tonight. All right, have a good night.